In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Spot Heal brush tool. The Spot Heal brush tool is located in the tools area. Amongst the tools, it's probably located near the bottom, and more importantly, it might not even be in plain sight. So if you come to the More options, which looks like three little ellipses, and you can click and hold, there's tons of tools located in here. And the Spot Heal brush tool is this one with hotkey J. Once you have your spot healing brush tool, you want to make sure that you can edit the layer that you're working on. So I need to come over to my layers palette and I need to come down and rasterize my layer. And now that it's rasterized, I can make edits to it. The way that the spot healing brush tool works is that it is pretty much shaped like a brush, meaning that I can edit it like any other brush and even use the bracket keys to make my brush larger or smaller. When I click and drag with the Spot Heal brush tool, what it does is it paints a section. And then, once I let go, it uses the information around that section to try to erase things. It can be a very powerful tool for removing little blemishes or even whole areas. I'm going to see if I can remove this guy by clicking and dragging over them. Once I'm pretty sure I got everything taken care of, I'll let go and then let the computer do its magic. Notice how it did a pretty decent job, but there is a little smudge up here and some smudges down here of extra mountains where I thought I wanted to pull some information from around it. And that might work. You might have to do it again. Spot Heal brush tool kind of works best in little doses. And sometimes it'll change and warp the scene so much that it's not even worth it. So you want to use it sparingly. You want to figure out where it's best to use it. But that worked out pretty nicely. Be careful about trying to take care of very large areas because, again, it just uses the information from around it. So, and it can also slow down your computer a whole lot. So I'm going to see if I can take out this mountain range. And so it's going to take a while for it to load, but once it does, we'll see if it pulls the correct information to remove the mountain. And it brought a little bit of the sky, but it also brought in a ton of the rocks. So you can see that it's just a computer program, and it guesses at what's good. So this is actually best for taking care of really small things, like if I wanted to take care of this little rock down here, remove a couple of these unnecessary pebbles, maybe I could take care of this dark one. There we go. So that is the Spot Healing brush tool.